Hello friends, today starting for trip. So actually this our trip is the look at this for this only for white area. So this are two area for this snow mountain forest areas. Is look at this for this Himachal Pradesh is the same to visit in the areas. So but this area is the European places has to mostly fun in good places is not for Indian areas. So actually these are two good places has to train is look at this for same to model is the very scary bodies has the good and this oldest model for train. So actually these are two in front area has to same to which in this one Britain is has to model has. So these are two in the fuels are to very difficulty. So actually these are in different type of small method has to using. So back to back bogies is look at this first normal for passengers train. This look at this for this actually modern type, but and this model for this actually these are two very oldest model for this, but these are two engine and this capacity model is the very good modern structure, and this we believe is including for this train. Running for fast running. So actually these are too good for all our welcome to my everyone, this my video. So I invite you to all my friends and teams allow me to my journey. Enjoy my journeys. Don't forget this my video. Send this video for your friends and families. So actually is the today's train journey passes is the very good places. Is the look at this for throat touches is the nice throat this nices very well the places. So actually these are in same so summer vacation is the same summer seasons. Actually these are the cooling the manually cooling the very highly temperature. So actually degree Celsius has to power. So actually these are season based and these are my friends. So actually these are today is Christmas. So actually wish all the best to make it Christmas with my friends. So this is a very beautiful places has to and frequent stations, same to stations for frequently very frequently for stations. So actually these are two stations not a four in discovered. So actually these are in the places that has to see to then again the places that I know visualize places has to say which places has some there was is the and fight and these are two is highly for none bogie has to in send to places. So actually the for this and track snows temporarily for this unloading. So this very stations very chances heavy chances. So actually these are very carefully for running. So good experience for this master drive master for driver. So actually these are for very fast and not for fasting. So actually these are slowly for down this maximum 50 or 40 kilometer per hour. So this engine just please look at the for engine is the good engine. Is the tourism mechanism used with this government so has been introduced this train. So actually this is not a for same to day the passengers is in normal vehicles. It's not a for that's is a tourism train. But this train is can run very fast. Moreover, The engine is of this train is a very big engine. So you friends, I invite my friends. So don't remember this my video for share and subscribe. So my friends watching this video, don't forget to support me. Fast on. So actually these are two very slightly model for running. Run fast. Running. So these are two running fast. So look at this front boy has a very cuteness. So actually these are two black type model. So if I am speaking to first time, this is not a for reality. These are and fantasy. This is only for fantasy. These are game. This is not a for reality. So actually this our video has to wind up in time with this video. So actually this train to right places has to wind up in areas. My video is over. The trains became the get to the right places. So actually these are look at the close areas, and see you again tomorrow at the same time. Don't forget to support me. So good sleep, have a nice day, same to wish. So actually tomorrow is good, and see you again. Okay, breakdown. So actually these are two very fast for running. Breakdown. Okay, thank you for watching. See you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Breakdown. Okay, thank you for watching.